Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's vlog, I'm going to do a walking tour at the Shibuya Sky. So Shibuya Sky and Shibuya Square is located on top of Shibuya Station, Tokyo, Japan. Shibuya Sky consists of 3 zones. First is the Sky Gate. It is a transition space from 14th floor to the 45th floor. Second is the Sky Stage, an outdoor observation space. And lastly is the Sky Gallery, an indoor observation corridor on the 46th floor. From Shibuya Sky's observation deck, you will be able to see famous sites such as Mount Fuji, Tokyo Skytree, the new National Stadium, Tokyo Tower, Roppongi Hills, Tokyo Disneyland, Odaiba, Tokyo Bay, and many more. So this is the Sky Stage. The Sky Stage is located at the rooftop. From the Sky Stage, you'll be able to see the Geo Compass, the Sky Edge, Cloud Hammock, and Crossing Light at night. Now we are entering the Sky Gallery. The Sky Gallery is located at the 46th floor. In the Sky Gallery, you'll be able to see the Time River, parallel windows, and the datascape. There are also shops and a cafe at the Shibuya Sky, where you can find original souvenirs and enjoy a meal. Now this is the Sky Gate, where you can see the sensing hall, leading line, and the transition pod. That's all for this vlog. So Shibuya Sky is open from 9 AM to 11 PM, and for the ticket prices, it's 2,000 yen for adults, 1,600 yen for junior high school and high school, 1,000 yen for elementary school, 600 yen for young children, and free for infants. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.